You are not gonna believe what happened. One of our subscribers just turned 50 bucks, yeah, just 50, into $47,000 in 3 days. And no, this isn't some lucky lottery win. This is the power of our strategy and our AI bot in action. This guy had zero prior trading experience. But with our automated system doing the heavy lifting, calling trades with 75% accuracy, he was able to ride the momentum and grow his account like crazy. Our bot uses next-gen algorithms to scan the markets 24/7, and it doesn't just hand you signals. It creates a learning environment where you win and grow at the same time. Every trade becomes a mini lesson, backed by real profits. And the best part? He's not the only one. Traders from all over the world are getting similar results using the exact same setup. So if you're still sitting on the sidelines, thinking you need experience or a huge account to get started, think again. This video breaks it all down: what happened, how he did it, and how you can do the same. Stick around, you do not want to miss this one. Alright, our first signal is to open a trade anticipating the target currency will increase in value. Now this is one of those setups where the market looks like it's finally catching its breath. We've seen a solid downtrend, a steady decline, but now price has hit a strong support zone, and you can tell the momentum is slowing down. The last red candle is noticeably smaller than the previous ones, and right after that we're seeing a green candle. That's the first hint of a potential reversal. The parabolic SAR is still above the candles, but it's creeping in close, meaning it could flip any moment now. The moving average is starting to flatten out too, suggesting that bearish momentum is weakening. And MACD? It's showing signs of exhaustion. The bearish histogram bars are shrinking, indicating a slowdown in selling pressure. Bottom line, the market's catching its breath here, and this looks like the perfect spot for a local bounce to the upside. Ever wondered what it's like to trade like the pros, without spending a single cent? Here's your shot. We're giving new users 30 days of full access to our elite trading bot, completely free. No catches, no hidden fees, just a month-long trial run of the same tools top traders use, no credit card needed. And get this, on your very first deposit, we'll double it. Put in 400 bucks? You're trading with 8. It's that straightforward. But don't sleep on it, this bonus won't be around forever. If you've been thinking about stepping up, now's your moment. You'll also score an invite to our private trading hub, where experienced traders drop live market insights, real-time signals, and battle-tested strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve. Need help getting rolling? Our support team is here for you from the jump, whether it's setting up your account or learning advanced plays. The road to serious wins starts with one bold move. Click the link and make yours today. Let me tell you something real: you don't need to be born rich, have a fancy degree, or work on Wall Street to win in this game. All you need is the right mindset, discipline, and the courage to keep showing up. Trading isn't about making money fast. It's about learning to stay calm when the market gets loud, and staying focused when distractions start screaming. Every loss you take? It's just tuition. Every win? That's your proof you're learning. Most people quit when it gets hard. That's exactly when you lean in. That's where your edge is. You don't need to predict the market. You just need to react better than the guy next to you. Stay consistent. Stick to your plan. Trust the process. The market doesn't care about your feelings, but it does reward discipline. So next time you're doubting yourself, remember, someone with less experience, less knowledge, and less capital is already out there winning, just because they refused to quit. That could be you. Let's get to work. Alright, we've got a fresh signal on a new currency pair, and once again, we're going long. Everything on the chart is basically shouting that the market is gearing up for a move higher. We just saw a strong bounce off the 0.59857 level, a solid reaction, and that upward impulse pushed right through the moving average from below. That's a big deal. Plus, the parabolic SAR flipped, dots are now underneath the candles, which is often the first sign of a trend reversal. The candles themselves? All green and climbing. Even the last one, with a bit of an upper wick, still closed higher than the previous, showing the bulls aren't backing off. And take a look at the MACD, histograms rising strong, the lines already crossed, and there's momentum building. This is the textbook kind of setup for a continuation to the upside. The impulse has started, and right now, there's no sign it's losing steam. Looking to sharpen your trading game and snag some extra cash? We're giving away $2,000, split between two winners, $1,000 each. Getting in on it is super simple. Watch this video, smash that subscribe button, give it a like, and share a thoughtful comment about your trading journey. Maybe it's a strategy that's worked for you, a lesson you learned the hard way, or a tip that changed everything. Quick heads up, comments like "I want the money" won't fly. We're looking for real value, something other traders can actually learn from. And remember, only your first comment counts, so bring your A game. Winners will be picked at random each week and announced on our Telegram channel, links in the description. While you're there, check out the community. It's packed with experienced traders sharing signals, insights, and real talk about the markets. Drop some knowledge, keep it real, and I'll see you in the comments. Good luck out there. Trading isn't about being right all the time. It's about being right enough and managing your risk when you're wrong. That's the game. You're not here to chase perfection. You're here to build consistency. The people who last in this business aren't the ones who make one big trade and disappear. They're the ones who show up day after day, even when it's tough, even when it's boring, even when no one's watching. That's what separates pros from amateurs. So if today didn't go your way, good. That's a test. That's the market asking, do you still want this? Your answer should always be yes. Because every chart you study, every setup you journal, every disciplined trade you take, it all compounds. And over time, that builds a trader who's dangerous in the best way. Not reckless, resilient. So stop worrying about getting rich quick. Focus on getting better every single day. If you keep stacking smart decisions, the money takes care of itself. Let's keep building. Thanks for dropping in. Our trading bot's live and ready, designed to sharpen your instincts and boost your reaction speed when timing is everything. Give it a spin and see how it changes the way you trade, right in the moment. Stay focused, stay fast, and keep racking up those wins.